Hi, I'm Sheila Sri Prakash from Shilpa Architects, Planners, Designers in Chennai. We are based out of Chennai, but we do work pan India and have also done some work outside of India. So we are a 48-year-old firm, and I think I have known Vertika and her team Wade India right since its inception. So I'm very glad that this is the 10th year and she is going to march into double figures. Well, I started in 1979. That was when I started my firm, but I graduated in 1977. And ever since, I have been working as an architect. And let me tell you, it's not been easy. It's been a lot of hard work, lot of perseverance, and lot of patience more than anything else. Everything that came as a challenge, because I came from a city which is Chennai, which is conservative, not known to architects, not known for architecture. But, slowly I had to kind of create a niche for myself, which I did. And I think in the year 2007, I started getting some recognition, which was more international, thanks to the internet, because of my work on sustainability as a lady architect. So I was very happy about that. And then after that, I think I worked one after the other when the opportunities came on, which has been very gratifying, and I have loved the journey. I am very happy now that Indian designers are, should I say, coming of age, and re-exploring themselves, re-exploring their country, their uniqueness and their strength. They are proud to be Indian, proud of their craft, of their art, and trying to include it in their designs. International projects, today we have, as far as scale goes, I think we have projects which are large. Earlier, the scale of the projects was small. So when the larger project came in, people were reticent to give it to Indian architects, saying that we did not have handled that kind of a scale. But now I don't think it is true, because these campuses that we are building and new townships that are coming up, the infrastructure projects that are coming up are humongous and are on par with anything being done abroad. I think the number of women in architecture and design has slowly increased, because earlier when I started there were hardly any women architects, but now I see that the classrooms are filled with girls. But this morning I heard that the number of girls who graduate and the number of girls who truly pursue their career later, there is a big difference. So I would like that also to shift, and all the young girls of India to blossom into beautiful, focused, passionate designers. Because I think one strength that every woman has is her tenacity and her passion for what she does.